Sound horrible. Guys, I'm kind of sick. But I'm still trying to bop around. I'm trying to get into better lighting. I'm sorry this keeps going dark and light. The sunlight hasn't really come through my house yet. I think it's about 10 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock in the morning. So it keeps going in and out. But today, I'm taking down my tree. So today is what, January the 5th? Is it January the 5th? I always do that. I always get confused with my days. I think today is January the 5th. So I'm not terrible, but I still have my trees up just because, I mean, you put so much effort into putting it in, putting it up in the first place. You want to maximize the time that you have these decorations up. At least that's my opinion. I want to maximize the time that I have these decorations up. So I'm actually going to go ahead and take them down today. So I'm going to do undecorate with me, clean with me type of video this Saturday. Because not only do I have my Christmas decorations up, as you can see, this is like my favorite, this tree right here. I already have ideas of like what I want to do for it next year, and like the ornaments and everything I want to do. Anyway, so I've actually started getting everything out and all that stuff, but that's not what I was saying. I was saying not only do I have Christmas stuff still up, but y'all look, I got New Year's stuff up. So we had a very, very small New Year's gathering at my house. So I got all this crap. I got like hats and stuff. My husband, I don't know if anybody else's spouse does this, but he leaves his clothes like just over the couch. So like, dude, I mean, this isn't the bedroom. You can go upstairs and take that off, but I digress. So I got just cleaning stuff, as you can see, all of that. Table's dirty and all of that. But then I also have stuff up from the New Year. This is the Christmas stuff. This is a game the boys got for Christmas that they didn't put up, so I'm having to put it up. Decorations still up. Yeah, I don't even know where these two stockings are. They got like really good games in their stockings, so I think it's like soon as they got their stockings, they opened it and then took them upstairs. So I suspect they're in their room, so I got to get their stockings. Christmas decorations, tree. That the kitchen looks a mess, a hot mess. Like I said, I'm sick or whatever I got going on. Yeah, one of my coworkers came into work when he had the flu. Let me tell you, this is I digress, but this is a public service announcement. If you feel that you are, let me turn the camera around to me. If you feel when you wake up in the morning that you are under the weather, do not, and I repeat, do not take your behind into work, because then all the germs you got festering inside of you, you're exposing a lot more people to those germs, as opposed to if you would have just stayed home in your germ infested home and sat and recovered. It ain't that serious. My job, I'm a finance professional. We are not saving lives. If you do not come to work, no one will die. So this joker rolled up into work. This is like right straight out the new year. Straight out the new year, rolled up into work, looking like death. And I'm not exaggerating. I have a coworker who can co-sign this, because me and her both looked at him and was like, what is going on? Then he proceeds to say, oh yeah, my mom says I have flu-like symptoms. Why? Why are you here with flu-like symptoms? So I'm like standing back from him like, I laugh now, but I was like, don't come in my cube, because I don't want that. You just came off the holidays. I'm nice. I'm refreshed. I'm like ready to start the work year, with a bang. Don't have my nice little vacation. The last thing I want to do is be sick. That's the last thing I want to do. So he rolled up into my cube, and I was like, dude, what is going on? So he was like, we have an on-site, what do you call that, like medical facility that is like paid through our employer. You can make appointments, anything to get checked and all that stuff. So he was like, I have an appointment with the wellness center at 1 o'clock. I said, okay, cool. I think you need to go home. He's like, you want me to leave? Yes, I want you to leave. You coming in here with flu-like symptoms, and then on top of that, Georgia has the highest case of like the flu in all the country. Yes, I want you to leave. He texts me later after his 1 o'clock appointment, y'all. Guess what? The doctor say this joker got the flu. And you came up and worked with the flu. Again, public public service announcement. If you feel that you have flu-like symptoms and you are not well, do not, and I say again, do not bring your behind into work. Just don't do it. Don't. So now, I don't have the flu, but I have a very strong cold of some sort that I'm trying to work through, hence the medicine and all that jazz. So, I mean, it is what it is. Such is life. But anyway, so I have to clean all of this. This isn't really leftover from New Year's, but this is more like just like from the week. But this is leftover from New Year's that needs to be cleaned. And I think my husband missed a trash pickup, so we have to figure that out. And then this table looks disarray. That's me. I was trying to get us to play. I was like, oh, we can play Family Feud. Ain't nobody was feeling that for New Year's. So, yeah. So I got a lot of cleaning to do downstairs. Upstairs, which is good. It's not that bad. You know, my office, it stays pretty clean. I do have little things out here and there. Well, it's not horrible. So I don't have much to do in here. That's my niece's camera. I actually think I'm gonna run up to give that to her because she's been waiting on it for Christmas. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring you guys along as I clean and undecorate, if that's a word, the house for the holidays. Yep, still got the garland up. Y'all, I never got that piece of garland. I may actually go to Walmart today because they may have it on sale to get it for next year. But yeah. So that's what's going on. So I will bring you along, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope this gives you motivation to take your Christmas decorations down if you're like me, well into January and you still have them up. Okay, y'all. I'm finished. I'm tired. I started at about 10 something and it's now 1:14, which isn't horrible. But y'all, I am all out of breath. I kept having to go up them stairs. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all how everything is looking. Note, the trees are still up. Well, the big tree is still up just because I don't have the bandwidth or the manpower to take it down. My husband's gonna have to do that when he gets home. And yeah, I'm not gonna wait till he gets home to film this video because I like the natural light I'm getting right now. So here's how everything turned out. Well, not turned out, but it's all cleaned up now. This is the kitchen. The garland is gone. My little ornament in the middle of the hood is gone. And now the kitchen's all clean. I have dishes in the dishwasher, as you can see. Sink is clean. Table's back to normal. Living room's back to normal. My mantle looks so bare. I gotta figure out something to put up there because I had fall stuff on either side before Christmas, and then when I took it down to put the Christmas stuff, now it's just bare. So I'm gonna have to get something that'll be there year round, kind of like how I have this table. This is like my year round stuff for this table. And then this table is all cleared and back to its normal decor. And then these are all the bins and stuff that my husband has to take upstairs. Because I put the tree up literally myself. The kids may put an ornament or two on. My husband does nothing. So the very least I figured is he can take the stuff upstairs. He's not really a guy that's into that kind of stuff, so I don't bother him too much with it. You know, he has a wife that loves like decor and home stuff. But anyway, I hope this video gave you some inspiration. Take down the tree. Take down all the decorations. January, we're about to go into the second week of January. By the time I post this video, you'll be entering the second week, so take it down. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.